Hey, 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 awesome people out there. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. As you can see, I haven't spent any time outside. It's been too hot. I don't care about all this. So, I got a nice thistle coming in. Got some nice flowers gonna be blooming here. Well, they got another month or so. But today I got some peppers. I've been in and out of the pool a lot of times. It might be slightly green. You gotta change the filter. Oh my Lord. Welcome to the new Great Depression. I will be out of the city soon. So I got some nice peppers today. And that was over there. One of them was over here. If you use wood chips, like I put down a year and a half ago. It was autumn. Oh, looks like I need to water. We got wilting. So, the lettuce, look at that. I love that purple lettuce. A lot of these are gonna bolt. I'm gonna like it. Look at the bee. Can you see it? Pollinate, pollinate, dance to the music. So, yeah, I need this purple lettuce to bolt. Some of this green lettuce to bolt. I'm letting everything go to seed pretty much. Look at these tomatoes. I gotta have a tomato. Now you can probably see it. I think there's a little bit of spider web on it. I'll rub it around. Absolutely sweet. Let's pollinate. All the flowers from all these potatoes back here. There's a couple flowers in the back. It's going to be amazing. Now this is falling over. I didn't stand it up. That one I got a stick in there. This is the kale. Look at all the seeds on that. It's going to be amazing. And that one back there. So many kale seeds. I wanted them to bolt. I don't care about a lot of things, but I do know what I want in the future. So, I need more seeds. That's basically it. Swiss chard, rainbow chard, wilting. But I got some nice leaves in here. I'm lazy. It's hot. So, if you go down to see Dan in Home in the Sticks, you're going to notice he's got, oh Lord, that fell down. I got to get that clipped up soon. It's got nice maters on it. The herb garden, look at that lettuce. It's beautiful. There's an herb garden. Got to put 3 to 7 herbs on every salad. So we never get sick. Ever, never, ever again. I don't believe in that mainstream media bullcrap. Sorry, Hoople's cat. But if you never get sick, you don't ever have healthcare issues. I have not put down wood chips. I put down some straw, but it's full of grass, and the grass is stealing nutrients. I'm aware of that. We're gonna get a couple days of cooling here pretty soon. There's my pet robin. So everything's gonna bolt. It can bolt, and I'm gonna keep the seeds. I did see. There's where most of the peppers came from. I did see that most of the seeds on eBay quadrupled during the fake pandemic. And now they're almost back down to normal. So I'll probably get some more bulk seeds. But as you see, I got thousands and thousands and thousands of kale seeds. And that's going to be beautiful. And a lot of that purple lettuce over there. I had a lot of salads with that. There's going to be many more. So I want those seeds. That's doing so good. But anyway, I'm going to cut it right there. I'm going to go back inside. and watch. Paleoclimatology, so I know the future. We had a CME on the almost Earth facing. It's not going to affect us. It's going to be here in, by the time you see this video, it'll be here in 2 days after that. So we're looking at Friday, Saturday. So there's a CME burst. It's not going to affect us. But we do have a corona black hole facing us right now. So that'll be, yeah, that's the one that's going to be here in 2 or 3 days. So a little upstream on geomagnetic activity coming in soon. But hopefully in the next day or 3, we're going to have some rain. Because I shut the water off. It's just, oh, my water, and plus that pool. The water bill is going to be up there. The electric bill is going to be down. Waiting for the market to crash. If you're not prepared, I'm sorry. I've been putting this out for years and years and years. I've been telling people for 30 freaking years this was going to be the time, the Great Depression. So it's going to happen, and I will get out of the city. So you got to get out of this place. Got to run away. Get out of this space, the city space. So we're kind of right here. You all have a nice solar garden day.